Hi, I'm Dr. Deuk, and we're here at the Surgery Center of Viera at Deuk Spine Institute. And here's our patient who you just watched, many of you just watched, having live Deuk laser disc repair performed in the operating room about 30 minutes ago. And yeah, how are you feeling?
I'm kind of in shock about how I'm able to stand here, you know, because this is my second back surgery and there was no standing for about a week with the last one. So I feel good. I feel good. My pain in my leg is immediately gone, which was one of my bigger complaints. And the only pain that I have, which I wouldn't even really call pain, was from where I guess the incision was or where the procedure was done. So I feel amazing.
So I got a call from you, or we talked a couple of days ago, and you were having a hard time, weren't you?
Yeah, I think you know, I like to pride myself in having a pretty high tolerance of pain. I think then when I called you about 4 days ago, I was probably at a 9 or a 10. You know, which now I probably wouldn't even be on the pain scale. I'd probably be like a 2 or a 3 if anything, and that's just where the localized pain was from the
surgery.
Yeah, from the surgery.
So this poor man has been suffering with back pain and pain down his leg for years. I think about 10 years, right?
2006. So
A little bit over 10 years.
Yeah.
He even had a surgery done, didn't work, and now he's back for a second surgery. First one I didn't do.
No.
And we did the Deuk laser disc repair, L45, L5S1. Many of you were just watching it like literally an hour ago in the operating room. And now he's gone home.
Yeah.
And his leg pain that was going down your left leg, you couldn't take it, right?
Yeah, no,
And now
it's completely gone.
It's completely gone.
The leg, it's completely gone. So, yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
And where are you going now?
We got a 2.5-hour drive down to Broward County, but you know, we were gonna stay overnight because I was just all I had was my last surgery to gauge this, you know, and there was no way I was driving home after my last surgery. So, yeah, I wasn't standing after my last surgery.
Where do you live?
Coconut Creek, Florida.
Coconut Creek, Florida, so it's about 2.5 to 3 hours south of here. And he had gotten a hotel room anticipating to be in a lot of pain, miserable, but he's going to go home. So you're not in any hospital, you're at the surgery center at Deuk Spine, and there won't be any hospital stay. He had 5 cc's of blood loss, which is like barely nothing, a nosebleed. And you're feeling good.
I do.
All right,
I'm happy. Thank you so much.
Are you going to dance for us before you go?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got. There we go.
All right. Thank you, man. Appreciate you so much. Seriously. Thank you so much.